You've felt it. That hum in the back of your mind when you walk through a supermarket. Everything is designed to be perfect. The lighting is calibrated to make fruit look fresher. The music is engineered to slow your heart rate. It is a perfectly rendered user interface. But you feel a glitch. You look at a package of meat, and for a microsecond, the interface fails. You don't see food. You see the code behind it. You see the graveyard. Most people patch this glitch instantly. They call it normal. But there is a term for the people who can't patch it. It's called dystopia. It's the specific existential crisis of having your empathy module turned in a system that runs entirely on cruelty. We are terrified of a cyberpunk future where corporations modify our bodies for profit. We fear becoming wetware, biological hardware for the system. But look at this. This isn't sci-fi. This is the standard. This is the R&D phase. We didn't just breed these animals. We re-engineered their source code. We turned living beings into yield units. Chickens designed to grow so fast their skeletons collapse. Cows monitored by AI sensors that optimize their output like a server farm. They don't own their bodies. Their genetics are corporate IP. The system proved it could turn life into a product. And once a system perfects a technology, do you really think they stop using it?
Input received, we upscale. Optimization live. Your time is the hive. Your attention is the asset. Scroll, click, submit. Scroll, click, submit. Human yield maximized.
The logic of the slaughterhouse has migrated to the algorithm. Flesh is obsolete, we don't need your body anymore. We found a resource worth infinitely more.
Your attention is the asset.
Your time is the hive. Your time is the hive. We farm the night. We farm the day.
Human yield maximized.
Just as we optimize the cattle, we have optimized you from feedlots to feed loops, harvesting your loneliness, mining your dopamine.
Scroll, click, submit.
Obey.
Scroll, click, submit.
Obey.
Scroll, click, submit.
Obey.
Maximum yield, minimum care.
Obey. 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 So, how do you crash a system this big? You fight it on two fronts. Step 1. Reject the prototype. Step 2. Upscale. You built the logic on the innocence back, turn life into product, a biological hack. Buying the blood validates the lie, funding the R&D, watching them die. Yeah. Veganism isn't just a diet, it's a wall, a firewall burning to stop the install. I am not your hardware, I am not your code. I reject the input, I explode the node. Reclaim the play to save them all. Reclaim your mind before you fall. Now you want my focus, you want my fear, mining my dopamine year after year. The gig economy, the infinite scroll, digging for data inside of my soul. No! Delete the app! Kill the feed! I'm cutting the wire, I'm stopping the greed! You farm their flesh, now you farm our heads. The fence was steel, now it's infrared. But empathy is not a pull the plug! funding the prototype log off.